Hey everyone. Welcome to our video today on Chainlink. Sorry for the delay getting started here, having some microphone issues. Before we get started, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. This market is risky. You're responsible for your own trades, managing your own risk, and doing your own research. This is just my opinion on the market. All right, so what I like to do is I like to reflect on my thoughts as we go through a market cycle, and I like to address comments that I receive in my videos. So I recently got a response, a comment that basically said, yeah, we had this really big bullish formation and I was leaning bearish. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Okay, so I just want to point one thing out, okay? When we were at less than $2, I made a solid recommendation that hey, when this breaks through $2, it's gonna fly, and it went to $3 as soon as it broke within a day or two. All right. So the price went from $2 to $3 and then it got rejected. So yeah, we're consolidating. We're consolidating. And these wedges that we're looking at here, just for the record, they easily can fall bearish just as easily as they can go bullish. It all depends on who wants to buy and who wants to sell. And so yeah, I had a bias that was wrong when we got to my zone of 285. When I was talking about reaccumulating and selling at 285, we got to 285 and I was like, hey, you know what? We're in our sell zone. Let's get to our sell zone. Okay. And if we break through here, by the way, well, then this is a good thing and we're probably going to keep going. All right. So we're back there. We're back there right now. So I am not going to dispute that I have been wrong in the past, but what I will say is if you're going to watch one of my videos and say that I don't know what I'm talking about, then you're not watching the series of videos that I do. I spend a decent amount of time analyzing something and sure, Chainlink went through 285 and it broke, but you know what? Another thing that I always talk about in my videos. If you have watched more than 2 or 3 of my videos, I talk about this all the time. We retested this level. I talk about flipping support and resistance all the time, and we've done that. I am bullish long term on Chainlink. I, of course, would have loved to have bought Chainlink at $2.50, but you know what? That didn't happen. But I had an opportunity to rebuy at 285. I had an opportunity to rebuy at the same place that I sold for no loss of Chainlink. I would have been able to accumulate the same amount of Chainlink that I had. Once we broke through this, and now we're coming back down here, now I'm back being bullish. On the hourly, we retested the 200 simple moving average. I'm sure if I go to higher time frames, we were also testing important moving averages. Here on the 4 hour, we did a retest of the 100 exponential. We did a test of the 55 exponential. The 21 exponential, we're clustering around it right now. I'm bullish on Chainlink. Make no mistake. You can sell at a certain point and wait, because fact of the matter is, if you put in $2 worth of Chainlink at $2 and you sold it at $3, you have $3. If Chainlink goes down to $1, look, you still have $3. You didn't lose any money. You didn't lose anything. Now, by the fact of selling at 285 and buying even right here at 295, you still have $3 buying at 295. Okay? Okay, yeah, you lost 10 cents. Big deal. You still have 50% profit on the $2 to $3 swing. There is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with taking profit as the price goes up. When you see resistance, you have to secure your capital, you have to secure your profits. And if we break through it, heck, buy the retest. Buy the darn retest. Don't sit there and hold it and then watch it go down. And then, then you're at the point where you're like, gosh, I wish I would have sold at 285. I guess I'm just going to keep holding this. No, get out of that trade. Get out of the trade. You have to secure your profits. And if we break through, it's fine. Just let it go. And if it comes back down to you, then you take that trade. And I guarantee you what we have right here, that is exactly what happened. When we came down and we retested this, look at this wick. It was bought right up. So you get back in the trade. When you do a support and resistance flip, get back in the trade. Right now, Chainlink looks like it is almost done with this little correction at the support and resistance level and is probably going to start moving up. And guess where my stop loss is going to be? My stop loss is going to be right here at the bottom of this wick. Right there. That's my new stop loss, $2.80. If we break 280, I'm out. I'm out. No big deal. I'm out of this trade at $2.80. But we were targeting 285. We hit 285. We broke through it. We secured our profit. And you had an opportunity to rebuy at 285 on this support resistance flip. Now, I'm willing to bet most of you didn't, and that's okay. So right now we're sitting here at $2.94. And if we break above 296, we're going to keep going, especially if we break 315. And again, I have been talking about this for so long, I probably sound like a broken record. I've been talking about this target. We've been talking about this target here at $4 for a long time. We've been talking about $5.60, $6.60, and of course the ultimate dream of $8.20. We've been talking about this for a long time. So I don't want to get too overly emotional, but I do have to set the record straight. I'm freaking bullish on Chainlink. But the fact that I was hoping for a pullback to 250 doesn't mean that I'm bearish on it. I had a short-term bearish bias because I thought we were going to fall out of this wedge. We didn't. We still hit 285. And now we retested, and we are retesting, and now I think we're going to go back up. So, I apologize for the harshness of the video, but what I do advise is, I try and do these videos on a pretty regular basis just to kind of give an update on where I stand on that day. My long-term bias is bullish on Chainlink. I want to set that record straight. No, I don't think it's going to $1,500. No, I don't. Yeah, there's a very high degree of probability that it is going to go up to $4, $5, $8. There's a high degree probability it will go there. I especially think that this $4 mark is going to be attainable, especially if we can break above $3.40. $3.40 is that 618 retrace. If we can push through $3.38, $3.40, we're definitely going to $4. And then if we can break through $4, it likely will happen pretty quick if we do, I would imagine. Then we're going to make new highs on Chainlink. But again, I do have to keep an eye on divergence. I have to keep an eye on oscillators. The 12-hour is showing that we're likely going to go through a little bit of consolidation. The 3-hour is telling me that we are starting to create a little bit of a bottom here, probably can come back down and retest 285 again. So you do have an opportunity, more than likely, where you can pull back and buy here at $2.85. The hourly, just for the record, the hourly looks pretty darn good. The hourly looks like we're probably going to do another bounce up, but don't chase that candle, because I do think that we are in the middle of an ABC correction. Likely are going to come back down here to somewhere between 280 and 285, maybe 290, but you're going to have an opportunity to buy. Yeah, so I mean, I guess that's all I've got for right now. I am bullish on Chainlink. I did have a bearish bias when we were right around here. I thought that we were going to fall out of this wedge. Obviously, it didn't happen, and that's okay. We still got out at 285, and we had one opportunity already to buy here at 280 to 285 again. Chances are pretty good there's going to be another opportunity to buy somewhere in this range, and I am going to take that trade. If we come back down here, this trade is going to be all mine, and I'm going to take it, and I'm going to be looking for those targets that we have been discussing. First target I'm going to be looking for is $4. And of course, the stop loss right here around 280. If we break 280, that's not going to be really good because that means that this humongous bullish wedge is going to fail, and this would have been a trap. So, you take the trade and you set the stop and you trust the stop. That's the way it is. But that's what I got for you right now. So I would say, as the comment that we've just got here in the YouTube chat, I would say that it's probably safe to add to a position here in this box, adding to a position. But especially if you bought in originally here at $2 and you didn't sell at $3 or up here at $3.15, if you haven't sold yet, you can do a pretty decent dollar cost average to increase your position, to increase your exposure here. And if you bought at $2 and then you're going to reaccumulate at $3, if you doubled your position, your average entry is going to be about $2.50. So even if you set your stop loss at 280, you still have profit, and you would still be able to profitably exit this trade, even on a stop loss when your entry would have been about $2.50. All right, guys, that's what I've got for you right now. Feel free to, ask questions in the Discord. I'd say like, subscribe, share, but I'm sure this video wasn't very pleasant for most of you. But I just had to set the record straight on what my bias is on Chainlink right now. But I hope you guys all have a really great weekend, and enjoy yourself, enjoy your family, and I will be doing the same as well. So have a good one, and I will see you all later.